Writing essays in English can be challenging, especially for non-native speakers. But with the right tools and strategies, anyone can improve their essay writing skills and turn in a high-quality essay. In this video, we will take a look at the most important steps of writing an essay in English. First, start by selecting a topic that interests you and that you have some knowledge about. This will make the writing process more enjoyable and will help you stay focused on the task at hand. After that, do some research on your topic to gather information and get a better understanding of the subject. Use reliable sources such as books, articles, or academic journals to support your ideas and arguments. Then, before you start writing, create an outline. An outline is a helpful tool that allows you to organize your thoughts and plan the structure of your essay. Start by writing down your thesis statement, which is the main idea or argument of your essay. Then, list the key points you want to make in your essay, and organize them in a logical order. At the end, there will be a conclusion where you summarize and close the essay. After that, it's time to start writing. First, you should write the introduction. The introduction of your essay should grab the reader's attention and give them an idea of what your essay is about. Start with a hook, such as a quote, statistic, or interesting fact, to engage the reader. Then, provide some background information on your topic and end with your thesis statement. After the introduction, you should write the essay body. The body of your essay is where you will develop and support your arguments. Each body paragraph should focus on a single idea and should begin with a topic sentence that introduces the main point of the paragraph. Use evidence from your research to support your arguments and to refute counterarguments. After you have finished your main section of the essay, you should write a conclusion. The conclusion of your essay should summarize the main points of your argument and restate your thesis. It should also provide the reader with a sense of closure and leave a lasting impression. Also, avoid introducing new ideas or information in the conclusion. That's all you need to know about writing an essay. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out other videos about English from this channel. Other than that, thank you for watching and good luck with your essay. See you next time.